Now welcome. In this video we are going to find the dy dx of this function. Now we have y is equal to
8
x raised to power 3 minus sine x plus 6. So if you look at it very well, we can now see that this is a function of x, and this is a trigonometry function sine x, and this one is also a constant. And remember that if you have y is equal to c, the y dx for this will be equal to 0, because derivative of a constant is equal to 0. That is the first thing. And the second thing is that if y is equal to ax raised to power n, the derivative of this, which is dy dx, will be equal to a times n, x raised to power n minus 1. That is the second thing. And for this trigonometry, we have if y is equal to sine x, so the derivative of this is equal to cos x. We also have the if y is equal to cos x, and the derivative will now become minus sine x. We will soon get to that. So let's solve this first. Now this will now become dy dx equals, and remember that this is in form of derivative of a sum. So, and derivative of a sum is the same thing as dy dx. If you have y equal to u plus v plus w, so we have equals du dx plus dv dx plus dw dx. This now become d 8x raised to power 3 dx minus d sine x dx plus d6 dx. So this will now become dy dx equals 8 times 3 x raised to power 3 minus 1 minus the derivative of sine x is cos x plus derivative of constant is 0, so plus 0. So this now will now become dy dx equals 8 times 3, that is 24, x raised to power 3 minus 1, that is 2, minus cos x. So this is our solution to this derivative of this function. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video.